Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the 3-in-1 trimmer. It's a one blade bird trimmer here, and the man's electric razor too, and it's Ipx7 Waterproof body shaver too. It comes with a nose hair trimmer, and it is a woman's USB rechargeable body groomer. It is available in black, as you can see, and of course in a white version. So you can choose the white color or the black color of this professional body groomer kit here. We have 3 different trimmer heads. This trimmer set has a breath shaving system. It comes with 3 removable trimmer heads. Bird trimmer, man's professional for long hair, and it is equipped with round tips that are very skin friendly and safe. The bird trimmer is suitable for short hair, and the smallest nose hair trimmer for woman battery devices for ears and nose hairs. Yeah, you can use it on nearly all areas on your body to groom it out, baby. One set meets all our trimming needs. And we have USB fast charging. That means the rechargeable facial hair trimmer is equipped with an 800 mAh lithium battery, which provides an operation time of 80 minutes after 2.5 hours of charging. With the Type-C USB charging port, we can find a charging source at any time and where we have a USB device, for example a laptop, a power bank, or a mobile phone charger. The LED indicator reminds us of charging status at any time. And it's Ipx7 Waterproof. That means 100% washable body. Yeah, Groomer is easy to clean and suitable for both wet and dry use. After using this electric blade razor, we can rinse it directly underwater. We do not rinse the inside of the machine with water when the cutting head is removed, of course, okay? And with a portable size. This woman's body hair trimmer set is very light and very small. It weighs less than 100 grams and is only the size of our palm, for example. Lightweight and portable, easy to use. The included storage bag is perfect for traveling and vacation and business trips. It helps us to get rid of the hair problems anytime and anywhere, because you can use it mobile. We will get a professional body groomer set. It contains everything what we need for a professional hair removal on the face and on our body. We can enjoy it as a free grooming of our entire hair, which we can remove. We have one blade shaver, a shaver base. We have an indicator LED area to see what's going on with the battery. We have an on and off button. We have a release button on the back side. We have a handle. We have an ear and nose trimmer and a bird shaver. After complete charging, we press the on and off button. The product works then well, and the indicator turns on in white. We stop the product running via pressing the on off button again. The indicator will turn on in red when the battery capacity drops under 10%, so we can see to recharge the system. This product is used in many areas of the human body, so you can use it on nearly every area to remove hairs. In case of carrying and traveling, we should long press the on-off button above 3 seconds, so we may see the indicator light as red continuous 3 times, which means to activate the travel lock. We cannot turn on the product via short press after we are enabled the lock. If we need to close the travel lock, we make the same method to long press on the off button, on and off button, and then it will be back in business. It's really easy to replace the hat. We turn the hat to the unlocked position. Then we can let it off and replace it with another one. Then we turn it right for the lock position, and then we can use it. To replace the cutter unit, we release button and we push it upwards, and the cutter unit drops off if we have to do this. We are going to use the charging cable that comes with the product and connect it to a 5-volt power supply. The white flash when charging, and it will keep on. The power is full charged. We use the attached power cable to charge. The battery contained in the product is not replaceable. The product takes about 2.5 hours to charge and can be used for about 80 minutes on a full charge. The output power of the power supply should be less than 15 watt. And if we do not use the product for a long period, we charge it every 3 months to keep charging function working very well. Wow, for the entire body this is, and it can shave, it can groom, and it can remove all hairs. And of course it's Ipx7 Waterproof. That means its water protection level ensures that the body groomer can be easily cleaned under running water without worrying about damage of the product. And USB charging. That means you're free. Use a power bank, for example, to recharge your device when you're on the road again. The electric small razor is charged via a practical USB port, and it is full charge within only 2.5 hours. And with a portable size. This nose hair trimmer is small and compact, and we can use it on the ear and nose because there's a trimmer included. We have a bird trimmer. The bird trimmer is special designed for trimming and caring for birds, and it allows us to easily trim and design our bird hairstyle. And we have one blade razor there. The one blade shaver is designed for easy shaving of long hairs, bird, and sideburns. Thanks to the design of the shaving head, it is gentle on the skin and glides well, wet or dry. This is a really cool looking professional body grooming kit by Coinsud in black or white. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.